Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this skirt. The pleated part is removable. I hope you like it. Start by transferring your basic pattern to a piece of paper. Now make your skirt shorter and add 1 cm to the skirt seam and then 3 cm to the skirt hem. You should have something like this. Cut all around the pattern so you have 2 clean pieces. Fold your fabric in half and then place your first pattern piece. For the front piece, place your center front aligned with the center front of the fabric. So when you cut it, you have one continuous piece. For the back, you don't need to do this since you will have 2 pieces separate from the back. In both pieces, mark the darts. Create your darts by folding the fabric where you made the notches and then pin it until you reach the desired length of the dart. So all of your 4 darts. Now sew the sides of the skirt as well as the back and insert your invisible zipper. To create the skirt fold, I took my pattern to save paper and mark from the top of the pattern down around 4 cm plus 2 cm for the hem. Now cut your skirt fold the same way you did for the skirt. Sew the sides together and create the hem. With the right sides together, pin the skirt folder with the skirt. Make sure that every seam matches. Sew all around the top as well as the sides, and be careful with the zipper. Get the excess fabric on the corners of the skirt so it doesn't create bulk, then fold it in order to make the outsides facing out, and with a scissor make the corners look prettier. I'm sorry you can't see it in this clip, but now open the skirt fold and the skirt and sew the seam and the skirt fold together so when you wear the skirt it doesn't rise. Create the hem by folding it twice and then sew it, and with the iron press it down. Now create a rectangle that is longer than your skirt and 3 times the size of half of your waist measurement. Hems the sides and bottom of the rectangle by folding twice. Now mark the pleats by marking 3 cm until you reach the end of your square. and then every 9 centimeters you have a pleat. Fold it on the top and on the bottom, and then sew them together with a loose thread. Once you have sew all the pleats together, press them down with a hot iron. Make sure that the fabric you are using for this piece is 100% polyester, otherwise the fabric will not melt and the pleats will not stay together. Now make a square that in width is the same as your pleats plus 2 centimeters, one for each side, and is 10 centimeters long. Sew both right sides together. Sew the sides together as well. Turn the piece inside out, and with a scissor make the corners look nice. On the other side, fold the remaining hem and sew it down together with the pleats. Now sew 3 snaps to your skirt and pleats. One of the sides is on the pleat and the other side is on the inside of the skirt. And then just remove your loose stitch on the pleats to reveal your pleats, and you'll be done.